Welcome to my empty apartment tour. Amy's helping me record. You want to say hi?
Woo!
This is my new home! Long time coming! So it's not really an empty apartment tour because all my shit's here already. I just moved in pretty much. All the movers just left. So yes, I'll show you guys around. This would be the living room, and I'm thinking of putting like the couch and coffee table where all this junk is. And then this will be where the TV is, and maybe a bookshelf. I don't really know yet. Cody's here. Don't look at him because he's a mess right now. He's really furry and needs a haircut. I'm thinking like this space could be where I film, and like this is my backdrop. I have nowhere else to put it right now. I really like this place because of the open doors. Hopefully there will be really good lighting. It's only like, what, 3 o'clock? And it's kind of dim already, but it's okay. So this is where the dining table is gonna be. And one thing I knew that I really wanted is a farmhouse table. So I am probably gonna get a custom made. I found someone who could do it in downtown LA, so I'm really excited. We went to see the showroom the other day. I don't really know where to put any of this stuff yet. It's just all kind of here. But look, this is the plant that Amy gave me also. Did I ever tell you what I named her? Serenity.
Ooh.
So this is the kitchen area. I always like to look at kitchens first when I did the apartment hunt because I just love new appliances. So they have like a new stove here and microwave and sinks chill. We have Palo Santo, just Palo Santo at the place. I also love that there's like a bunch of storage. I actually don't know if they remodeled everything. It looks like they did, right? Yeah. And then it actually didn't come with a fridge, so I just picked this one up today. There's not that much really interesting. That's it.
It's clean at least.
It's clean, yeah. I'm gonna switch the door thingy, the way it opens, so that it opens this way. I feel like that makes more sense. So yeah, love the kitchen. And then we have, let's go this way to the balcony. This balcony is so huge. Like I forgot how big it was when I first came to see it.
4th of July here. Just kidding. It's so big.
It's really big. Like, look.
Whoa. Oh my god.
It's so big. I can't wait to put string lights.
Oh yeah, from Target.
Have some patio furniture. Yeah, and there's a little courtyard down there, so that'll be nice for Cody. Now let's go to the bedroom. There's no washer dryer. It's just a shared one. So this is the bathroom. That's it. I mean, what else is there to say? I love that it has all this counter space and drawers, so I can, you know, put on my skincare stuff and.
A lot of natural light.
Yeah, on this side, right?
Yeah, you can do Vogue videos.
Vogue videos?
So like, in my bathroom. Yeah.
This is the bedroom. It has 2 closets, and it's really spacious. It's actually freaking spacious. I was not expecting that. Like I remember it being a lot smaller in my head. Then we have this weird middle thing, which I just wish was a closet also, because I don't know what to do with this space just yet. Yeah,
Makeup?
Maybe makeup.
Just hold your makeup there. It looks like a vanity. Old, like 1920s vanity.
Yeah, it does, but then it's so dark. Like,
yeah.
Why would I be doing my makeup here? Unless I have lights, but I don't, so. Yeah, so this is just another closet. And then this is the dresser that I got from Sydney and the nightstand. She's so nicely gifted to me, sponsored by Sydney. And then this giant window. So yeah, that's it. I don't have a bed yet. Still in the works of getting that, but yeah. Oh, there's also storage behind you. Okay, let's not end on storage because that's really boring. But that's it. Thank you for coming to my empty apartment tour. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Amy, for filming.